We shall define the solution of differential equation. A relation between dependent variable and independent variable which does not involve derivative terms is called solution of differential equation if it satisfies the given differential equation. That means an equation in or a relation in dependent variable and independent variable which does not involve any derivative term is said to be the solution of the differential equation if that relation satisfies the given differential equation. For example, we have differential equation dy by dx equal to cos x. Then, if you take y equal to sin x, then derivative of sin x is cos x, therefore dy by dx equal to cos x. This relation satisfies this equation, and this relation does not contain any derivative term, therefore this is the solution of this differential equation. Now, instead of y equal to sin x, if I take y equal to sin x plus some constant term 1, then we know that derivative of this 1 is 0. Therefore, dy by dx is cos x. Therefore, y equal to sin x plus 1 also satisfies this relation. Y equal to sin x plus 2, y equal to sin x plus 3, or whatever may be the constant, y equal to sin x plus c is a solution of the differential equation. Now, there are two types of solution of the differential equation. One, general solution. We shall define general solution of differential equation. A solution of a differential equation is called as general solution if the numbers of arbitrary constants in it is equal to is order of the differential equation. That means any solution which contains as many arbitrary constants as its degree is order is. That means if differential equations has order 1, then the equation containing one arbitrary constant is called general solution. If order of the differential equation is 2, then in general solution of that differential equation there are two arbitrary constants. For nth order differential equation, the general solution has n arbitrary constants and so on. Second, we shall define particular solution. A solution obtained from general solution by replacing fixed value of the arbitrary constant For example, y equal to sin x is a solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to cos x. Y equal to sin x plus c is also solution. Now, this is a general solution because order of the differential equation is 1 and this relation contains only one arbitrary constant c. Therefore, this is a general solution. If I replace c by some constant number, I will get y equal to sin x plus some I take constant number 1 by 2. Then y equal to sin x plus 1 by 2 is also solution of this differential equation, and this solution is called as particular solution. This is a general solution and this is a particular solution. Now we shall solve some problems on the solution. Example 1. Show that y equal to c1 sin x plus c2 cos x is solution of d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Our first problem is show that y equal to c1 sin x plus c2 cos x is a solution of differential equation d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Let us check this. I require d square y by dx square, therefore I differentiate this y 2 times. If I differentiate first time, I will get dy by dx equal to c1 into delta of sin x is cos x plus c2 into delta of cos x is minus sin x. Again second time differentiating d square y by dx square equal to c1 into minus sin x delta of cos x is minus sin x plus c2 into minus times delta of sin x is cos x. Taking minus n common, I will get c1 sin x plus c2 cos x, which is nothing but y, and therefore d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Thus this y satisfies the differential equation. Therefore y equal to c1 sin x plus c2 sin x is solution of the differential equation. Second problem is show that y sec x equal to tan x plus c is a solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y tan x equal to sec x. I require dy by dx, therefore I shall differentiate this equation one time. D by dx, I differentiate this relation one time. D by dx of y sec x equal to d by dx of tan x plus derivative of constant 0. Here we have to use u will y into derivative of sec x, that is sec x tan x plus sec x as it is into derivative of y dy by dx equal to derivative of tan x is sec square x. Now each term contains sec x, therefore taking sec x common and it will cancel. We will get y tan x plus dy by dx equal to sec x. Rearranging the term, we can write dy by dx plus y tan x equal to sec x. Thus, the given relation satisfies the given differential equation. Hence, y sec x equal to tan x plus c is a solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y tan x equal to sec x. Third problem is, show that y equal to x raised to m is a solution of x square d square by dx square minus mx dy by dx plus my equal to 0. I require d square by dx, therefore I shall differentiate this two times. Y equal to x raised to m, differentiate this, we get dy by dx equal to m x raised to m minus 1. Again differentiating, we will get m into m minus 1 x raised to m minus 2. We shall substitute this value in the LHS of this equation. Therefore, equal to x square into m into m minus 1 x raised to m minus 2 minus 2 mx into dy by dx m x raised to m minus 1 plus m, y is nothing but x raised to m. X square and x raised to m minus 2 is x raised to m, and this is m square minus m. M square minus m x raised to m. This can be written as m square x raised to m minus m x raised to m minus 2m into m, 2m square x raised to m plus m x raised to m, not minus 2, it is minus mx. There is not 2, only mx. Now m square x raised to m square x raised to m minus and this plus get cancelled and equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to x raised to m satisfies the given differential equation. Hence, it is a solution of the differential equation. Fourth problem we have to solve. Show that y equal to a plus b by x is a solution of x d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx equal to 0. Again here we require d square y by dx. Therefore, differentiating given relation y equal to a plus b by x 2 times, we will get dy by dx, derivative of a is a 0 plus b into derivative of minus 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, which is nothing but minus b by x square. And d square y dx cube is d square y by dx square is minus b into derivative of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube, that is 2b by x cube. Substituting these values in LHS, we will get x d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx equal to x minus 2b by x cube, x into 2b by x cube plus 2 times dy by dx means minus b by x square This is nothing but 2b x by x cube x square, 2b by x square minus 2b by x square, which is 0. And therefore y equal to a plus b by x is a solution of the differential equation. Fifth example is show that y equal to 2 sin 3x is a solution of d square y by dx square plus 9y equal to 0. We require d square y by dx square. Therefore, differentiating the given relation y equal to 2 sin 3x 2 times, we will get dy by dx equal to 2 into cos of 3x into 3, that is equal to 6 cos 3x d square y by dx square equal to 6 into derivative of cos is minus sin 3x into 3, that is equal to minus 18 sin 3x. D square y by dx square equal to minus 18 sin 3x, which can be written as 9 times minus 9 times 2 sin 3x, which is nothing but minus 9 times y, and therefore d square y by dx square plus 9y equal to 0. Hence y equal to 2 sin 3x satisfies this differential equation, and hence it is a solution of the differential equation. Y equal to a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x is a solution of differential equation d square y by dx square minus y equal to 0. Our sixth problem is show that y equal to a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x is solution of d square y by dx square minus y equal to 0. Here we differentiate y equal to a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x 2 times. dy by dx equal to a e raised to x minus b e raised to minus x. Derivative of e raised to minus x is minus e raised to minus x. D square y by dx square is a e raised to x minus b into minus e raised to minus x. This minus minus becomes plus. We can write b e raised to minus x equal to y. Therefore, d square y by dx square minus y equal to 0. And therefore, y equal to a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x is a solution of the differential equation. Seventh problem. Show that our last problem is show that y equal to tan inverse x plus c is a solution of differential equation 1 plus x square d square by dx square plus 2x dy by dx equal to 0. Since I require d square by dx term, I differentiate that equation 2 times. Y equal to tan inverse x plus c. Therefore, dy by dx equal to derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. And derivative of constant is 0. dy by dx equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Therefore, again differentiate this term, d square y by dx square equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square bracket square into 2x. I shall transfer, that is equal to minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square bracket square. I require 1 plus x square d square by dx square. Therefore what I shall do? I shall write 1 plus x square d square y by dx square equal to minus 2x into 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square is nothing but dy by dx equal to minus 2x into dy by dx. Thus we get 1 plus x square d square y by dx square plus 2x dy by dx equal to 0. Thus y equal to tan inverse x plus c is the solution of the given differential equation. Thank you. In next video we shall see the formation of the differential equation.